Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can fix the mobile data, internet speed and battery drain issues in your Samsung Galaxy mobile. So let's get started. If you are facing slow internet, apps not connecting properly or mobile data not working on your Samsung Galaxy, try these things. So first open mobile data. Now tap data saver and turn it off. Data saver can restrict background data usage for apps, so it's better to turn it off. Now go back and tap on allowed network for apps. Here you can see you can choose which type of network each app is allowed to use. For example, you can select mobile data or Wi-Fi if you want an app to work on both connections. So for example, if you select Facebook and set it to Wi-Fi only, Facebook will use Wi-Fi instead of your mobile data. For next settings, go back and tap billing cycle and data warning. Turn data warning off and set data limit off also. For next setting, go to connections and tap mobile networks and then tap on data roaming for your SIM and turn it on. Then tap on VoLTE call for your SIM and turn it on, and also allow 2G service for your SIM and turn it on. For your SIM, select network mode SIM and select LTE preferred if you have 4G. Now refresh the network connection. For this, turn airplane mode on. Wait for few seconds and then turn airplane mode off again. This refreshes your phone's connection. Now check your internet connection again, it will speed up. Now next, if you are experiencing battery draining faster issue than usual or short screen on time in Samsung Galaxy, then try these simple settings that may help you in improving battery performance. So first go to settings, then apps, and then One UI home. And then tap on storage and then clear cache. Clearing cache removes temporary files from One UI home. It does not delete your data, but if One UI home is using more resources than usual after an update, clearing cache helps the system work more smoothly. Then go again back, then back, again back, and then connections. More connection settings and then tap on nearby device scanning. Set nearby scanning off. By turning it off, you can reduce background scanning and may help save a small amount of battery. Now go back and back again and choose device care. And then tap on auto optimization and then auto restart and then on restart when needed. This allows your phone to automatically restart when system determines that restart may help. It is helpful to maintain smooth performance. Now go back, again back, and then battery, and then select background usage limits. And then tap on deep sleeping apps. Deep sleeping apps are prevented from running in the background unless you open them. So here you can add apps into deep sleep. I select Pinterest. It will be added into deep sleep app. You can choose any app of your choice. So try these settings one by one and monitor your battery usage. This is all for today's video. Please subscribe and like to my channel. Thank you very much.